Welcome to WiseLearner, where your journey to professional excellence begins. Introduction. At WiseLearner, we believe in empowering individuals and organizations with the skills and knowledge needed to thrive in today's competitive world. Diverse course offerings. Our extensive range of courses spans across key areas such as project management, IT service management, information security, CISM, CSM, ITIL, ISO, and more. Expert instructors learn from industry leaders and experts. Our courses are taught by professionals with extensive experience and a passion for sharing their knowledge. Flexible learning formats. We offer flexible learning formats to suit your lifestyle. Whether you prefer online learning, in-person workshops, or a hybrid approach, WiseLearner accommodates your needs. Proven success. Join the ranks of successful WiseLearner alumni who have transformed their careers. Our courses are designed to provide you with the practical skills and certifications that employers value. Easy enrollment. Getting started is simple. Visit wiselearner.com, browse our comprehensive course catalog, and enroll in the course that aligns with your career goals. Visit our website.